Hello and welcome back. Today we will learn Agnistambhasana, also known as Firelog pose. Extremely beneficial. Let's get into the steps now. Come to Dandasana with the legs extended out in front of you. The spine should be straight and the arms alongside of your body. Bend the right knee and bring the right ankle and place it on the floor away from your groins towards below your left knee. If your knees are tender or your hips are tight, you can place a block or folded blanket under the left knee. This will give you more stability to explore the posture and reduce strain on the hip and knee joints. Bend at the left knee and place on the top of the right kneecap the right shin underneath the left shin, the right ankle underneath the left knee. Both shins should be around at 90-degree angle with the thighs. Flex both feet and reach through the heels. Spread the toes wide. Root down through your sit bones, lengthen through the spine, and the crown of the head reaches up towards the sky. Bring your palm to rest next to the hips, facing upwards. You can form any mudra of your choice. Try to get the shins to stack and parallel to the short edge of the mat. Sit for 10 counts initially, and you can increase the count with practice. To release, gently extend the legs out in front of you, coming back into Dandasana. Repeat this posture for the same amount of time with the opposite leg on top. It stretches the outer hips, glutes, thighs, calves, and abdomen. Promotes digestion, calms the nervous system. Avoid Agnistambhasana if you have knee, hip, or lower back injury. This pose could be extremely difficult on your knee joints, so definitely skip if you have any knee issues. You can close your eyes, gaze towards your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. It looks easy, but when you do it, you will get to know how flexible is your hips and thigh muscles. Avoid if you lack flexibility, especially in the hips. Agnistambhasana is a beautiful hip opener. Attempt this pose only if you already have certain degree of flexibility in the hips. For yogis that have tighter hips, first try out beginner level hip opening exercises that are linked in the description, and it will be easier for you to achieve Agnistambhasana. Keep practicing yoga every day, and we will see you soon.